It's no secret that blogging is a great way to drive organic traffic to your website as well as establish you as a resource for your customers. And if you're lost on what to talk about on your blog, I'm actually going to give you 3 blogging ideas to help you get started this holiday season. Number 1, fun family activities. Now, if you have a cookie kit or a cupcake kit, this idea is going to be perfect for you. Create a list of maybe 2 to 5 activities that families can do together. Make it fun. Think outside the box. But the number 1 item on that list should be the cupcake or cookie kit that you provide with your business, and then shoot them over to a place on your website for them to purchase. Number 2, holiday movies. I mean, let's be real. Who doesn't love a great holiday movie binge fest? Make a list of maybe 5 or 10 of your favorite holiday movies to get people in the nostalgic mood. And at the very end of the list, make a nice little subliminal message that directs them back to your website where they can purchase snacks and other treats that they can enjoy from your business while they watch those holiday movies together. And number 3, create a support local gift guide. Now, in this gift guide, you're going to collaborate with several other local vendors in your area who are also providing great holiday gifts. Create social media flyers, send out email blasts, as well as tag your partners on social media so that you don't just get access to your customers, but you get access to their customers as well as soon as they share it out to their followers. Now, that's only 3 blogging ideas, but you can get the full list on sugarcoins.com, where we give you all kinds of great ideas of blog topics to share with your customers during the holidays to get traffic to your site and to establish yourself as a resource to your community. And make sure you follow the page so that you can get more business tips to help in your baking and sweets business.